It's Michelle, aka the Bikenista. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am a part-time nomad, hopefully soon to be a full-time nomad, traveling in her 2019 ProMaster City van. I'm also working on fitting my van so that I'm able to take Nina Simone, my bike, with me everywhere and to find amazing bike trails to share with you amongst other things. You guys, I have an announcement. What I've decided to do is to create a playlist on my current channel, the Bikenista Soulful Journeys, so that I can do a lot more with y'all. I am a very unconventional cyclist and I want to be able to share that with you. I'm sure you don't know this, but I am a LCI, which is a lead cycling instructor. I'm able to teach people how to bike ride, lead events, and all of that. So take a look at my playlist, and until next time.